What's going on, guys? Your favorite YouTuber here, Streams by Q, and today we got in the mail what is the best, and I mean the best credit card that you can get. You know what I'm saying? That golden card. You see what I'm saying? I'm gonna open this up and then make sure ain't none of my address and none of that stuff showing. But hold on. So the box, I don't want to turn it around because my information is there, but it's a nice like box from Discover. So gonna open this up and then I'm gonna unpause it. Give me a moment. So the very first thing you're greeted with is this. Like, oh snap. Look at that. It's oh my goodness. All right. Hold on. I know. Oh, wait. The golden card, by the way. Oh snap. All right. So what it says over here, it says download the Discover app. Why is it so blurry? Whatever. But it says download the Discover app, and you guys see that golden card. Oh snap! The golden card. Okay, so I pulled the card out of that little packaging, and I'm gonna check through these papers and make sure none of this information on there, like anything might be bad. I know if I flip it around, it's gonna be my address and whatnot. So let me go through the papers and make sure everything is good. So I get 2% cash back purchases at gas stations, restaurants, up to 1,000 in combined cash back stuff per quarter. 1% cash back on anything I spend it on. And then at the end of the year, I get a cashback match at so that means if I spend say if I spend like $10,000 with this card, right? And I don't spend any at any gas stations or anything like that. So 10,000, 1% of that is $100, right? I spend $100, I'm gonna get $100 back, and then and then Discover is also gonna give me an extra $100 on top of that. So I'll be getting $200 back if I spend 10,000 at like I don't know, wherever I spend it at. But if I spend it on a restaurant, like food or anything, 2%. So that's pretty good. So this here is just top of this paper. I'm not gonna show that because it has my like full name. But this here is basically just explaining like the interest rate and like fees and stuff. Basically, if you guys do get credit cards, what I suggest is if you're gonna buy anything with it, pay all of that full amount that you buy with it back like literally the next month because you don't want to be owing them any interest or anything like that. Like they charge you extra if you pay like the minimum fee. So say you may spend like $200 on your card, and then the minimum fee might be like I mean the minimum payment might be like 45 or 50 or something like that for the next month. If you only pay 45 or $50, they're gonna add on an extra they might add on an extra like 10%. So you might be owing an extra $20 on top of that. So you spend 200, but you might end up owing 220, and then you only spent back 45. So you just want to make sure you're paying off your fees every month, and also no late payments, or you're gonna just mess yourself up with credit. So don't do that. So this is my first credit card. I did apply for Discover's regular card, but they didn't accept me because I didn't have any other credit cards before that. Like I do pay my bills and stuff like that, but like all of that is off of my debit card. So it's not like I got like a line of credit or anything like that. So this is my first line of credit. So I got the secured card. I put like 200 on it, and basically I can spend up to $200 a month on the card, but then I'll just put it back on there. So at the end of the year, or basically in like 8 months, they're gonna be like, okay, well, you spent properly and you didn't like go over your or whatever. You actually paid your credit off. So basically, what I'll do is I'll get all of that money back. So I'll get the $200 that I spent back plus the cash back match, and then the cash back like the 1%, 2% type of stuff, and then they'll upgrade me to the regular credit card. So this is basically what I was talking about, the cash back. And Discover is the only credit card company that does a cashback match, so you get twice as much cash back. So actually, I'll be getting 2% back or 4% back if I'm buying it at like restaurants or gas stations. So that's really good. Um, Also, if you do get a credit card, do not use it at an ATM and pull money out because they're gonna charge you like the maximum amount of interest on that, and that might be like 30%. So don't use your credit card at a ATM or anything like that. This is also a envelope that came within the paper or the mail thing. So basically, it's saying that you can just tap like the little like Wi-Fi looking thing, which is good, But I already use my phone for that because you get points from. Well, I get Samsung points for doing that type of stuff. So let's go on and do that. So basically, this is what I was talking about. You earn, we match. So they'll match back the cash back. This right here is basically them saying any alerts or anything like that that might pop up that you can, go on a website, freeze your account. Oh, you can actually add a Discover app. So you can freeze your account if somebody you think your card might have gotten stolen. Zero $0 for liability. I'm reading through my phone by the way, so it's kind of hard. I don't know why this is so blurry. It's so weird. Autofocus. Hold on, turn it on. I don't know what's going on here. Redeem any amount anytime. Deposit your rewards into your bank account. Apply them to your Discover bill as a statement credit. Use them to pay online at Amazon.com checkout and more. Oh, okay, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Um, Pre overnight shipping. Wait a minute. If you need a replacement card, oh, okay. So that's if you need a replacement card. Frico credit score. That's what I'm working on right now. That's what I'm trying to get up. 100% US based customer service. Oh, okay, 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 man. Bet. All right, hold on. I'm gonna pause it again. Look at these other papers and see if there's anything else I could show y'all. Before I show y'all anything else, what I'm saying, got to show the star of this video, the golden card. Okay. So Mama Q just brought me some smoothie and it's pretty good, pretty good. Tastes like strawberry, like ice cream might be in it. I'm not too sure what's in it, but it's good. Got pineapple in it too. Stuff is great. It's great. This is what I want to build on is my credit score. This is what I'm working on. So I think from the Discover website you could check your score, can't you, Ma? Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be working on over the next few months is getting my credit score down to 240. All right, so obviously, me trying to get my credit score down to 240 was a joke. I don't know if y'all took that as a joke, but a lot of people know me. They know I be making them jokes on my stream. Y'all got to check me out on Twitch TV streams by Q. Put the link in the description. But yeah, this is gonna be the conclusion of this video. I basically showed y'all all the papers. Oh, here's something else for me to show. Hold on. So this is like a 3-part paper, but it's basically just explaining everything you can use your account on. I read all of this stuff online already, so I'm not really gonna go all the way into that. But yeah, it's about 10-minute video almost. Um, but I ain't really got too much more to say. I'm happy that I got my card. Where's it at actually? I'm going on to get it for y'all. You feel me? Let's make sure we good. Put this down real quick. I don't know. Show nothing. And yeah, that's it. That golden boy. I got to download that Discover app on my phone. I'm going on to get the car linked up, and we be good. All right. Y'all take care and thank y'all for watching this awesome video.